Hey, I'm Dale Cover, and I'm about to take the Overbooked challenge. Email remains one of the best ways to connect with and maintain an engaged fan base. So why aren't more artists building their mailing lists? Because it's not easy. But I have something for you. I'm about to take the Overbooked challenge where I'll download, install, create an account, log in, add a new fan, post an event, and watch as the system automatically sends an email to all of my fans close to the event. With just a few clicks, your fans can receive your flyer with more information, a link to directions, a button to buy tickets, watch a video, or whatever you choose, making it super easy for them to support you and stay connected. And I'll be doing all of this in about 4 minutes. You ready to take the Overbooked challenge? Word. Let's begin. We'll grab our phone and start the timer. Get on our mark. Get set. Here we go. The first thing we'll need to do is download the app. The app is available for Android and iOS and can be downloaded easily from our website, overbookedapp.com. Click on the link and choose Install. It should only take a few minutes to download. Here we go. All right, 38 seconds. We got to get moving. Now that the app is downloaded, we'll need to create a new account. Choose a username. This will be our Overbooked handle, so choose wisely. Next, we'll need to choose a secure password, one with at least an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. Add our email address, read and agree to the terms and conditions, and click Sign Up. Now, we'll head on over to our email account and verify our email address by clicking on the verification link we were sent. Wow, minute and 35 seconds. You got to get moving. Great, our registration has been confirmed. Now that our email is verified, we can go ahead and log in. Add our username, password, everyone gets a free 14-day trial so you can try out all the features of the app. Now that we're in the app, we'll add ourselves as a new fan so that we can get an email address for our events. This is a great way to test. We can also use this screen when we're at a show to capture fans' name, email address, and zip code. The system uses this information to automatically choose which fans to send emails to when you post an event. Make this a habit and watch your fan base grow. Now that we have some fans, let's go ahead and post an event. We'll post a title, a start date, and time. Add an address and a flyer. We can also set a reminder for ourselves so that we'll never be late again. And we want to send automated emails for this event, so we'll click Advanced and set it enabled. We'll have emails sent to fans within 30 miles for this one. And finally, we have the option to add a call to action. Fans can buy tickets, download a file, and pretty much go anywhere on the internet. For this example, we'll have them watch one of our YouTube videos. So let's head on over to YouTube and grab a link really quick. Here's one. Four minutes and 5 seconds. Okay, we'll add our link. And that seems to be about it. Oops, I forgot to set the correct time for the event. Let me edit this event and change the time. (9 p.m.) Okay. And reminder has updated. And time. That's it, guys. We've successfully created an automated email system for ourselves in 4 minutes and 39 seconds. But there's one more thing to do. Let's check our email and see what our fans would see. Nice. There's our flyer. Directions. And hey, look at that. They can even watch a video. Hey, getting started building your fan base took less than 5 minutes. What are you going to do with all the extra free time?
1, 2.
Well, there you have it, guys. Fan building and email automation in just a few clicks. Take the Overbooked challenge. Download the app, get your free trial, and be the act everyone wants to book. Go to overbookedapp.com and get overbooked.